Welcome back. Today we are looking at the PAP10 3D Printer Resin UltraPrint Production Preci review, every detail considered. The PAP10 3D Printer Resin UltraPrint Production Precision Formula is designed for creators who demand exceptional details, dependable printing behavior, and repeatable results. Compatible with Reflex RS, RS Turbo, Reflex, Reflex Turbo, and Reflex 2 Pro printers, this 1 kg Asy Grey resin is engineered to produce highly detailed models with impressive surface sharpness. As someone who frequently evaluates the reliability of electronic components and precision manufacturing systems, I pay close attention to materials that directly influence printer performance. Check the video description for the updated price link. Resin quality affects not only model appearance, but also the consistency of exposure settings, the stress placed on optical systems, and the reliability of production workflows. The PAP10 resin performs particularly well in environments where large format, 3D printer, high-capacity operations require dependable materials that minimize failed prints and maximize detail reproduction. Whether you are creating prototypes, engineering components, dental models, miniatures, or highly intricate industrial designs, consistency is an essential point. One of the biggest concerns in resin printing is unpredictability. Poor quality materials can create uneven curing, excessive shrinkage, and inconsistent layers that put unnecessary strain on expensive hardware. The PAP10 formulation appears developed with production stability in mind, delivering predictable behavior that contributes to the longevity and efficiency of compatible resin printers. The PAP10 resin excels at reproducing tiny features and sharp edges. Fine lettering, miniature textures, and intricate geometric designs remain crisp and well-defined. This level of detail makes the resin suitable for professional prototyping and presentation quality models. Production environments need dependable materials that behave consistently from one print to another. PAP10 maintains excellent repeatability, reducing unexpected failures and saving valuable time during long production runs. Compatibility with Reflex RS, RS Turbo, Reflex, Reflex Turbo, and Reflex 2 Pro systems offers flexibility for users operating multiple machines. Organizations can standardize materials and simplify inventory management. The Asy Grey formulation generates clean edges and attractive surfaces. Printed components require less finishing work, which is a major advantage when producing prototypes and commercial models. Electronic systems inside resin printers rely heavily on predictable exposure behavior. PAP10 cures evenly and efficiently, helping maintain stable printing conditions that complement the performance of advanced optical and LED systems. As a reviewer who focuses heavily on electronic reliability, I believe resin quality directly impacts hardware health. Poor formulations often require repeated print attempts, longer exposure settings, and extensive cleaning procedures. These issues can increase wear on LCD screens, UV light sources, and motion components. PAP10's stable formulation promotes efficient curing and minimizes unnecessary printer strain. Consistent resin behavior means fewer interruptions, less recalibration, and greater confidence during lengthy production sessions. Professional users running large format, 3D printer, high-capacity projects benefit significantly from dependable materials because machine downtime can become expensive. A reliable resin helps maintain predictable output schedules while supporting equipment longevity. Testing production resin requires evaluating repeatability, surface finish, and precision under various conditions. PAP10 demonstrates excellent consistency across multiple print jobs. Layer transitions appear smooth, and small details remain highly visible. The resin's balanced curing behavior contributes to successful production runs with minimal intervention. Fine mechanical parts, decorative models, and intricate structures retain dimensional integrity remarkably well. Another impressive characteristic is the surface sharpness. Edges appear clean and defined, reducing the amount of sanding and finishing needed after printing. This advantage becomes increasingly valuable during commercial production, where time efficiency directly affects profitability. For users running large format, 3D printer, high-capacity operations, every successful print represents saved material and improved productivity. Stable curing properties reduce excessive exposure requirements and promote efficient use of UV systems. Lower operational stress can contribute positively to the lifespan and consistency of precision hardware. Check the link in the description to get yours today.